Whoa, it's Pikachu. Hey, look, a No, 2 Squirtles? Best day of my life. Is that a Jigglypuff? Coughing. What are you? Get away! Get away! Ow! What the heck? Where am I right now? Jiggly? Jigglypuff? Come on, this isn't funny. Jiggly? What the? What? The Backrooms is popping off right now, and my channel is quite the opposite. Maybe if I combine the two, I'll finally create something amazing. But with hundreds of Backrooms games already out there, this was going to be challenging. I didn't want to just make another clone. I was going to make something unique so that I could impress my friend Kevin and get some juicy reactions from him. With all those goals, it was time to get serious, and I started by setting up a VR controller. After that, I thought it would make sense to create the most iconic level of the Backrooms, which, according to the wiki, is an infinite non-linear space with yellow wallpaper, damp carpeting, and randomly placed fluorescent lighting. Pretty much just a freaky old office space. So I programmed a way to generate a room with random dimensions. I added some walls around the room, a ceiling with fluorescent lights. Then I pressed the magic lighting button, and we go from this to this.
It's beautiful.
But it actually wasn't. It was too small and it was boring. What do I do now? I think I'll start randomly placing pillars and walls around so it looks a little more maze-like. But I couldn't just place things around the room because they could potentially overlap. So I decided to break the room up into separate tiles, where each tile has a chance to spawn certain objects, and then place them all together to create a single room. With this method, randomly placed things never have the chance to overlap with each other since there's only one per tile. Things were coming together and they were looking a lot more creepy, but we still had to make this space infinite. So all we had to do was add a gap in the wall, generate new rooms, and connect them with each other. Voila! Just like that, we have a randomly generated Backrooms level. Yeah, this is gonna be super freaking cool once I add monsters and stuff. There's a bunch of different types of monsters called entities, kind of like a Pokemon horror version. Light bulb. I just had an idea. There's a game called Pokémon Snap where you pretty much go around taking pictures of all different types of Pokemon. And with the Backrooms having lots of different entities, I thought it'd be cool to take some inspiration from Pokémon Snap and apply a similar concept to my game, where the player is given a camcorder and he has to go around and capture different entities.
Hi. How are you?
But here's the catch. You can only see the monsters through the camera. You can't see it while you're looking around. Interesting, very interesting. So I got this 3D model on the internet and added it into the game. I added a camera to the camera, some text on the screen to make it look more realistic, and also the ability to zoom in and out. Then it was time to start adding in entities, and I thought it would be good to start out with the most iconic one.
Who's that?
Entity.
It's
Actually, I have no idea what this thing's real name is, and if you look it up on Reddit, no one can agree. Some say it's duller, others say it's bacteria. Bacterium? Steve. Anyways, I got this 3D model off the internet, added some animations to him, programmed the artificial intelligence to make it chase the player if it spots them. I made sure they're only visible through the camera, and I also added a way so that you could capture them. And with that, I thought it would be a good time to have my friend Kevin test the game out.
So I can only see monsters.
Oh yeah, and then
through the
you
camera.
can capture monsters. If you see one and it's in your thing, just hold this and press.
Dude, I don't like this row. Oh! Okay, we're good.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, it's pretty easy. Yo, this game, dude. Why didn't it kill me? Dude, I thought I killed him. Okay. I'm shaking. Yo, turn around. Hello? That's so scary, dude. I didn't even have a chance.
Kevin was having a rough time playing the game, and I kind of started to feel bad. It was funny at first, but then it struck me. This guy's literally terrified in front of me, and I'm laughing? Am I a good friend? No, I'm just a big meanie. I needed to make the game more fun. It was time to get to work. I turned up the player movement speed, changed the time it took to capture an entity from 2 seconds to 0.5 seconds, and made a couple other minor design tweaks to the AI. With those few adjustments, the gameplay had drastically changed.
Yeah, I see you, I see you. Nice and slow, baby. Yeah.
Kevin was actually starting to have fun, and it allowed him to come up with more strategic gameplay.
Okay, we're good.
It was cool seeing Kevin have more fun with the game just from tiny adjustments to some numbers. And the game shows potential, but it definitely has lots of issues. One issue really bugs me though. Because you're constantly staring at this camcorder, you end up looking at the floor the entire time. I feel like it leads to really underwhelming gameplay footage. But it's good in that it adds more suspense because you have to constantly look around. Oops. And even though I've spent lots of hours working on it, it still freaks me out. What the heck? Scared the poop out of me. It's definitely an interesting experiment, but I'm not sure where I can take it in this direction. Let me know if you have any ideas or things you want to see built and tested. Hello, just got done playing some VR games. I'm glad you're here.